Guys?
This is George Norris with Nantucket Homes, and we're here with the Surface Group. And Greg Starr, one of the owners of the Surface Group, is here with me. And here we're in the first of a number of videos discussing tile and marble and granite. And our first topic is the difference between marble and granite. And Greg, why don't you tell me a little bit? I'm always been a little bit confused about what the difference is between granite and marble. Now this is obviously a granite piece.
It's granite, yeah. And granite, really the biggest difference is that this is a molten formation, and molten means that it was once a lava-type material, and being a lava, it actually forms, in a, it cools over time and then becomes very, very dense and has a number of minerals, making it a very dense, durable product, typically used for countertop.
Okay. And what about what's the difference between marble then? I mean, what's the process difference?
Yeah, marble is a limestone, actually, geologically, that also goes through a metamorphic process where it's actually a sedimentary layer of stone, and eventually marble turns it through pressure and formation over years into more of a crystallized formation, and then becomes typically white in color, and also includes veining and is available in a variety of different types.
Okay, and what about the density here from the standpoint of use? I mean, is granite better than marble from a use standpoint?
Yeah, it is. It's definitely more resistant, and the reason it's more resistant is marble, being a makeup of a calcium carbonate, that can be as soft as something like a piece of chalk, and can conform, and like I say, over pressure and time could also crystallize into something like this. But the problem with marble typically is that it is not resistant to acids. Acids really will attack the surface of a marble and or limestone and may etch the surface, whereas something like a granite, you will not have the same problem with.
Okay, well I think that answers the question. Now for countertops, we typically are using granite.
Yep.
For floors, we use both, or do we prefer one over the other?
I think aesthetically we definitely prefer things like marble and limestone. Granite as a product, as far as a floor, it's available in either homogeneous looks that are very kind of grainy, salt and pepper looks. Those are used for flooring, but in these wild kind of variegated looks in colors, typically more for countertops, so you don't see them quite as much for flooring.
Okay, well thanks for your input. Okay, thanks. You can turn it, just press the